Are you struggling to update multiple records efficiently in Salesforce? You're not alone, and Salesforce has the tools to help. My name's Eric, and I'm from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin, developer, or a business owner, be it for profit or nonprofit, and you want to learn about how you can use automation in Salesforce, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover how loop elements can update multiple records in Salesforce using a record-triggered flow in just 5 easy steps. You might be wondering, what is a loop in Salesforce flow? In automation, a loop represents a process that repeats until a specific criteria is met. For example, imagine you're moving and loading boxes into a truck. In a loop, the process will continue to repeat until you've loaded all of the boxes in the truck. To add complexity, let's say we want to donate some of our boxes, so we don't need to take them with us. In this case, we can use our loop to choose the correct boxes to load and then leave the other boxes for donation. In our example, the loop effectively filters our boxes, including only the ones that we want to choose to take to our new home. I'm sure you're asking, that's great, but how does this apply to Salesforce? Let's visit an example flow that uses a loop in Salesforce. But before we dive in, here's something else that can streamline your Salesforce payments experience. With Chargent, you can take payments directly in Salesforce, right where your customer data lives. And the best part? You can try Chargent free for 30 days. It's quick to set up, just 10 minutes. And if you need help, our team is here for you. Click the link in the description to get started today. Now let's shift gears and put what we've learned into action, building a flow with a loop. For our example, we've stuck to our moving day theme, using a few custom objects, places, and boxes. First, create a record-triggered flow and choose the object and trigger conditions that start your flow. Here, the flow will trigger when a place record is created or updated, with criteria noting that we're moving. Second, add a Get Records element to your flow and compile a list of related records to loop through. We've chosen a custom object called Boxes that's related to our place record. Third, insert your loop, specifically iterating through your list of related records. Here's where we'll decide which boxes to filter through. Next, we can define actions inside the loop, such as updating fields, creating related records, or making decisions. In our flow, we've used the decision element to separate our donation boxes from the boxes being transferred to our new home. This can be thought of as labeling our boxes. After the loop, we'll add an Update Records element to save the changes. This commits the updates to the database, similar to physically moving the boxes to their new location. And that's it. This is a simplified example, but we hope it provides the foundation to start thinking of ways that you can use loops to update your Salesforce records. With the basics covered, let's explore some best practices. First, as with any flow, plan for error handling. Consider the ways your flow can go sideways and use fault paths to log your error messages or display them to the user. Second, consider if a flow is even needed. Oftentimes, your solution may negate the need for a flow altogether. For example, Chargent includes features that automatically update your related records in many cases. Lastly, test your flow in a sandbox environment to ensure that it works correctly before rolling it out to production. In just a few minutes, we defined Salesforce loop elements, created our own loop in a flow, and discussed a few best practices. If you want to dive deeper, we've left the link in the description to help you advance to the next level. My name is Eric, and I'm from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. Remember to start your 30-day free trial via the link in the description. And for more helpful tips, watch this next video. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.